They're playing basketball.
With malunggay.
Alright. Now the major earthquake here in the Philippines. 7.8 on a Richter scale. June 8th. 7 o'clock in the morning. Kids at school. And everything. Now I gotta go ask my wife how far her mom is from that spot. Gotta be quiet. Jacob's sleeping. Here comes Bernadette. Give me a minute.
What?
How far your mom from that spot?
Maybe 5 hours.
Maybe 5 hours from
Davao to Alamada.
Almada.
Alamada.
Here. That's how far away she is. And General Santos, Davao. I hope I said it right. She'd have criticized me several times saying it wrong. To the store. Kids out here throwing coins everywhere. Daddy, hope they throwing their coins out. They just keep throwing them out, throwing them out, throwing them out. Yeah, and I have a little bit of pictures and a little bit of video showing the damage and stuff down in that area. It's down here in Mindanao in Davao, General Santos area. 7.8 on the Richter scale. 53 people considered passed away. Injured, I do not know. The death toll is still rising as they search for people. The total damage estimate is up in the millions of pesos and still rising as I speak. Very powerful earthquake at 7.8 on the Richter scale here in the Philippines. This is from Mindanao Island province area in General Santos and Davao area already damaged. I'm walking up here. Up there to this area up here, get some cooking oil for my wife. Got the pesos. 50 pesos. And the kids was at school and everything when the earthquake hit. Standing outside and everything. 7:30 a.m. in the morning. The first flag ceremony going on. Kids standing outside getting ready to watch the flag be raised when the earthquake hit. Scared half to death. It was a pretty bad earthquake. As I said, it's 7.8 on the Richter scale. Hello. Hey. My prayers, heart goes out to the ones down in General Santos and Davao. I hope I said it right again. I'm about up to the store. Going right up here. That's the tsunami down there. It came in. Weren't no big old waves or nothing. Small waves. That's one good thing. Well, I told me that the first day at school, Sitting there getting ready to see the flag raised up ceremony before the 7.8 on the Richter scale magnitude earthquake hit Minden now. I gotta go right here somewhere. One of these little spots to get some cooking oil. My first time ever coming up here getting the things over here, right here. Y'all see if I make a mistake too. Ah, there it is. There we go, right here. I'm getting that out. That's what I gotta get from my wife. See everything. Yeah, I got it for you. That cooking oil. I picked the wrong one up and everything. I cut the camera off because she was over there helping the other fella get her inventory in and everything. I picked the small one up. It was a little bigger one she was wanting. And I gave her an extra 5 pesos. I ain't feel like carry that little peso back. Wife might get mad at me over a peso. Me, it ain't much. Her, it is. Who thought trash coming today? They just set the trash out. Trash man didn't show up. He's in there playing basketball. There they sitting up there. This is my neighborhood, my province I live in. I've been between Nuno and Antipolo. I walk so far, I'll be in Antipolo. I walk down that way, I've been in Nuno. I walk on up to where there's a laundromat now. Hey, that's a laundromat now. Used to be a salon, now it's a laundromat. Yeah, you come in here and get my hair cut right here.
What?
I used to come right here and get my hair cut.
What?
I used to come in here and get my hair cut when it was a hair salon. No, hair?
Haircut? No.
Yeah, it used to be a haircut place.
Before?
Yeah, before, then they tore it out, put that in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Before you have a haircut here.
Yeah, I got my haircut here, and then now they tore it. Laundry mat. And it looks good. They got it fixed up nice.
Now it's laundry shop.
Laundry shop.
Yeah. Come here and we will wash your clothes.
Huh?
Come here and wash it.
I try to get my wife too.
Yeah, but that's water.
Yeah, she washes them and everything at home by hand and all that, and that little water tank they got. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's why I can get my hair cut. Now it's a laundromat. I'm heading on back down to the house. Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
Not much.
What?
Now, ain't much going on. Let's go getting the stuff here for the wife.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, bye-bye.
We're here, so what she's cooking. Wife and brought the oil in. Jackets awake.
Yeah.
Check ahead, check these out. We're gonna look at the food. They look good. I finished all my car bills. They all look good. There's Jacob. I can about to fly away. Look at him smiling.
Eat vegetables. He eat malunggay.
Malunggay.
Squash. With
Yeah. I don't
saluyo.
like squash. Cooking my hamburger. And she got my fries. Cooking.
Like to eat, don't see Jacob. Oh, see?
I see it.
Oh, eat squash. With malunggay.
Open mo.
With malunggay. And saloyot.
Hindi ka pahiya. Huwag ka pahiya.
Look.
Open mouth.
Out. Mouth.
Oh, wala.
Ay, wala.
He wants to play too much now. Papa's in here. He wants to play.
Ayaw niya i-open yung bunganga. Open your mouth. Ano na nga? Pig na nga. Mad na mad.
Well, see y'all later. Thanks for watching Lost Country Block. Sandy, burn that Lawson.
Nakapukon na sa iya. Hi!
Hey, Jacob.